What's up, y'all? I am Kanin Cuisine, the smoked lamb specialist. Come get what I do. Let us be your who when it comes to lamb. Today, I'm taking on an air fryer challenge. I do not use air fryers. I think air fryers are for the kids. But in the group that I'm in, I've been challenged to do an air fryer recipe. So I chose buffalo cauliflower florets in the air fryer because I just I just felt no need to use the air fryer, but I'm gonna try it today. I'm gonna take on this challenge, and I'm gonna be scared, but I'm gonna do it. You heard me? Yeah, man. So excited that you came to check me out today. All right. Like I said before, this is an air fryer challenge. Somebody gave me a challenge to use the air fryer, and I ain't never used the air fryer. It just be for my kids. I got a 13-year-old, 17-year-old. That's how they take care of their chicken nuggets, fries, whatever they want to do. If they hungry, that's who use the air fryer. I don't never cut it on for nothing. So this is my first time doing a recipe for an air fryer, and I chose buffalo cauliflower florets. So for the recipe I'm gonna try, we got of course the florets. This is about 1.5 pounds of florets. We got red hot Frank's red hot sauce. And then since I had some of this expensive truff hot sauce, they had it at Whole Foods for $7. I know the big one be like $40 for that one. So when I saw this for the $7, I said I'm gonna go ahead and try it, not knowing that this was what I'm gonna use it for. So I'm gonna mix a little bit in there with this red hot. Maybe they'll do something special, I don't know. And then we got about a quarter cup of cornstarch, a quarter cup of all-purpose flour. Got some Zatarain's blackened seasoning, some Lowry seasoned salt, and some garlic powder in there. We'll have to whisk that up. It's gonna be our little dredge, because they said put that on there after I toss the cauliflower florets in the hot sauce. Because really the recipe just said put some garlic powder, flour, and cornstarch. That was it. But I was like, no, I need some salt and some other flavor going in there on mine. But like I said, when you're cooking, you look at a recipe, you're just trying to get a little foundation. It don't mean that's how it got to go. So here we go. We're gonna get a 1/3 cup of hot sauce. I think I need to take this cap off. Me shaking this thing gonna be a little too much for me. All right, we're gonna stop by right there. Then I'm gonna come with this truff hot sauce. We gonna see what it do. Come on up, little Tay, right there. Hopefully this is delicious. Hopefully I get turned on to some buffalo air fryer cauliflower florets. We don't know. All right. Let me I need some oil. We're gonna get some avocado oil, put that in there. And we're gonna whisk this together a little bit. Nice little low color, hope y'all can see. All right. Then we're gonna take some cauliflower florets and we're gonna toss them in this hot sauce and see what happens. All right, so far so good. The truffle hot sauce smells really good. You know, the white truffle is a little more expensive than the black truffle. That's why it's so expensive compared to the regular truffle hot sauce. Black truffles are about a third of the price of a white truffle. And I think they're easier to find. So that makes the price difference right there. Okay. We're gonna toss them few. And then I'll take one of these trays out. Throw the foil on there. Maybe we'll try this bottom rack. Let's just do these first few. I'm gonna have to use my little hand. Toss them in there like so. I just don't see how flour work in the air fryer. I'm used to having oil, but they said do this here. That's what I'm gonna do. Lay that on there like so. I'm gonna put a few more in there. Like I said, it smells good now. I ain't gonna lie. Toss this in here real good. Yeah, I'm scared, y'all. I don't know how this gonna do. I come from being picky, and I'm still picky to a certain extent. But I'm willing to try something. I like a challenge, especially if it stretches me into another direction. It's all good with me. I'm gonna toss that a little more and get some sticky gummy fingers here. I was gonna say my girls might like this, but they don't like nothing hot. Don't nobody like nothing hot in my house but me. Okay. So this might just be my little dish if it's good. And we'll have one more person using the air fryer, because I swear this thing will be collecting dust if it was left up to me. I just like the long way. I'm sorry. I take the long way, no problem. It don't bother me. Okay, maybe I can put the rest of these in here. I ain't gonna worry about the rest of them for this video. We just wanna make sure this works. I might have to adjust some for them other ones. So we're gonna roll with these few right here for this video. I'm gonna let y'all know how they turn out for this air fry challenge. Okay. Oh, and while y'all here, just drop some ideas in the comments for something y'all would like to see me cook. I'm not loyal to any cuisine, just so you know. So just cause I'm country from Memphis, don't think I'm a soul food person, cause I am not. I ain't just no big soul food person, but you know, you want to see me cook some soul food my way, then I do it. But you know, I came in the cooking game with an open mind, cause I wasn't loyal to nothing when I came here. So I be trying some of everything. I like a fusion of some of everything. I look at a recipe and I put my own little spin. I put some Japan with some South Carolina and some London. You heard me? I mix it all up. It ain't no big deal to me. All right. So let me wash my hand right quick. If you're still here watching my video, I thank you. Well, thank you so much. You just don't know. I swear you don't. I love what I do, and I love sharing. And if you're still here, It's a good thing to me. All right, so they said put this thing, put these in here at 400 degrees for 20 minutes at 5-minute intervals. So we're gonna do. We're gonna turn this up to 400, and then we're gonna set the timer to 20. We're gonna let it do. I think it started by itself. All right. So what I'm gonna do, cause I know y'all don't wanna sit here for no 20 whole minutes. And I ain't no talker like that for no 20 whole minutes. So what we gonna do, we gonna fast forward to 20 minutes later, and then we're gonna do a taste time, let y'all know how I feel about the air fryer buffalo cauliflower florets. You hear me? What's up, y'all? Let me interrupt your lesson right quick to let you know or remind you that I am Kanin Cuisine, the smoked lamb specialist. I have some of the best smoked racks of lamb you ever had, and it's right here in Memphis, Tennessee. Go to kanincuisine.com for pricing and details, and I swear, if it ever get in your mouth, you gonna come back, you gonna want another one, and I'ma give it to you. You heard? All right, y'all, we back. Now, I decided to not let these go the whole 20 minutes because I checked on them every 5 minutes to see where they were at. And to me, it looked like they was trying to burn a few of them. Some of them little mushy. But one thing for sure is that they don't look delicious. As most air fryer foods don't look delicious to me, but I'm still gonna try. You know, somebody with more air fryer experience may be able to show me what to do with a recipe like this. But like I said, it's my first time. I followed the instructions, give or take, as they said. I added a few little flavor ingredients, but appearance-wise, I don't know what to say. Cause it don't look delicious to me. That don't mean it don't taste delicious, but it definitely don't look delicious. Take these and put this in here. We gonna give this a taste because it is taste time. And I need me some ranch dressing. Hopefully that'll help it out, cause I'm scared, but I'm gonna do it. Give me my fork, I'm pretty sure is hot. Let me pick out one that looks fairly decent, I guess. I guess this one look kind of crispy looking. I don't know if you can see that on the overhead. Smells good. You smell the cauliflower. The hot sauce ain't overwhelming. But as a chef, I always like to taste something with no condiments first to get the true essence. I'm gonna eat the whole thing. Flavor-wise, it's good. It's just ugly. I ain't got no problem with that at all. It's just not appetizing looking. But that was quite good. Now I don't know if it was because I added the seasoned salt and the blackened seasoning and the truff hot sauce to it. I don't know. Now I'm gonna try it with this ranch dressing. Oh yeah. Surprisingly, I can do that. But I will say, this don't look good. It don't. You can't. I can't see you putting this in no box and say, "Hey man, give me some money for this," just off the looks. But yeah. Flavor-wise, surprisingly texture-wise, I'm cool with it. I don't have a problem with this at all. But being me, if you walked up on me and just said, hey man, I got some air fried buffalo cauliflower florets, try them out. And I look at them, I ain't gonna do it. I'm sorry. You'll have to you had to bet me or something like that for me to eat something like this. But like I said, the flavor is good, you know. I know I can give my ladies, well, they ain't gonna eat nothing spicy, so that's all right. If somebody eats something spicy, I could get them to eat these buffalo cauliflower florets. So I will say the air fryer challenge was a success. I'm happy, you know, I've discovered something new. Will I be doing this? Probably not, cause you know, I like the long way. I like oil, I like to fry my food. I'm sorry, probably ain't the best thing for me. But if the doctor says, sir, you absolutely cannot have no more oil ever again, you gotta do air fry everything, I know I can eat this and be happy. I'd be perfectly fine, wouldn't be no problem whatsoever. So, that said, thank you for tuning in to the Kanin Cuisine show. I thank you so much for showing up. If you made it this far, that means so much to me. I appreciate you. And don't forget that I am Kanin Cuisine, the smoked lamb specialist. Come get what I do. Let us be your who when it comes to lamb. So you need to text I want lamb to 901-729-9544 if you're in the Memphis area. And then I can call you back. We can have a good conversation about that lamb, and we can get a delicious smoked rack of lamb to you. So thank you for tuning in. I love you so much. You just don't know. And I know you might be scared, but this right here, if you an air fryer person, you gonna do it. You hear me? You heard me.